Hey Abundant Parents, it's Leah. In this video, I'm going to teach you the 5 ways the law of attraction has made me a better parent. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe. I do post at least once a week, sometimes more. So by hitting the bell, also, you will be notified when I post new videos. When I discovered the law of attraction, like many people who find it, I was at my absolute worst. I was at the lowest point in my life. But by finding the law of attraction, it completely shifted my understanding of not only my past experiences, but how I approached all of my future experiences. And with that came this broadened, expansive awakening, this understanding. And it completely shifted how I parent my kids and how I help them to expect good things in their life through their own ability to create. So I wanted to share with you the 5 ways the law of attraction has made me a better parent. The number 1 way the law of attraction makes me a better parent is I try to control less and I trust my kids more. I've really gotten my ego out of my parenting. When you teach your kids to listen to their own inner guidance, they hold themselves accountable to themselves. You do away with this push and pull of control that you can get with your kids, especially as they grow older and they start to be more independent. I'm not saying you should allow your kids to endanger themselves or disrespect you, but your energy won't lie. When you release control and you trust your kids more and you're showing them the respect that you value, that their opinions and their judgments, your energy, it doesn't lie. They can sense that you are respecting them more so than just telling them. And soon they will find that they're using their own inner guidance and they're holding themselves accountable. When you release control and you trust and respect your kids more, they will sense those vibrations. And soon they learn the person they're disappointing the most is themselves. They are also the person most proud of themselves. The second way the law of attraction makes me a better parent is I have better boundaries. I have better boundaries with other people. I model to my children that I have better boundaries, and I actually have better boundaries with my kids also. I don't martyr myself or sacrifice time I need to help myself to feel good, to have self-care. I also respect that my kids were born with their own ideas, with their own purpose, with their own path, and that path has nothing to do with any types of expectations I had for my own life that I feel like I missed out on those opportunities. This is my child's life, my child's path. So by modeling boundaries stemming from my own self-respect, I teach my children that they can expect to do the same for themselves, regardless of what situation they may be in. The third way the law of attraction has made me a better parent is by understanding my own energy. My own energy and vibrations affects my kids. It affects anyone that I come in contact with. Of course, it affects my family dynamic, and it affects my own experiences. By caring for myself, by becoming a master of my own feelings, my own vibrations, I show my kids what being in alignment feels like, what it looks like, what it sounds like, what the vibrations feel like. The fourth way the law of attraction helps me be a better parent is I trust my intuition more. How many times have you gone down one path only to learn that all of those little itches, those twinges, those feelings, those little vibrational red flags were trying to tell you not to take that path, but it was only in retrospect that you were like, that was my intuition, and I ignored it. I teach my kids what their intuition is. I teach them how to harness their inner guidance. So I have to worry a lot less when I'm not around. I trust through my teachings and the guidance of the universe that they are building a moral compass built of steel because they understand those inner nudgings of their guidance system, of their intuition. And the number 5 way that the law of attraction has made me a better parent, it has taught me to trust in magic, to trust in woo-woo, to trust in angels, to trust in spirit, to trust in God. It has taught me to trust in my own power to create energetically. And I teach my children that magic exists in the world also, because Magic never stops. It doesn't stop just because we've matured or reached a certain age. Magic lives well on after childhood. So that was my 5 ways the law of attraction has made me a better parent. Thank you so much for spending your limited parenting time with me. I understand time can be so valuable and of the essence, and I really appreciate you being here. If you'd like more tools to add to your parenting arsenal, I invite you to join the Abundant Parent community. It's a monthly membership where I bring in experts in their field to talk about all kinds of tools. Some are more traditional, some are a little bit more outside the box, but they are all tools you can use on your parenting path to make you the best possible parent you can be and to help you be the parent that your kids connect with most. To find the membership, go to theabundantparent.com and click on the tab that says membership. I wish you a day full of light, love, and abundance.